Wow, I believe this year we see VVS Finance show more support for Tectonic token. Last year we saw how VVS Finance massively came out for Tectonic token, showing great support for Tectonic token. Remember, Tectonic token is being hosted by Crypto.com, Chronos Chain, and one important thing is that VVS Finance even dominated most part of the last year, 2022, because the volume of Tectonic token was traded mostly on VVS Finance. They really show a lot of support, and they have started this year with also supporting Tectonic token massively. Even as of today, Tectonic token volume is almost $600,000, but 74% of that volume is being traded on VVS Finance. Well, I believe if VVS Finance alone can really show such support, by the time we see Get.io, Kucoin, L-Bank, Hotbit coming in, we might be seeing Tectonic token volume hitting a constant over 5 to 10 million or even $20 million on a single day. And I believe by then the token market cap might be hitting about $100 million. And hitting $100 million simply means the token will eventually increase. You might be seeing about 200 to 300 or 500% increase in price. Well, I'm happy to see VVS Finance showing great support, and I hope that this year this support will continue just the way the Lunar Classic have been getting massive support from Binance. We also Lunar Classic really did well last year, and I believe this year also we'll be seeing all these coins doing well. And let's hope that this year will become one of the best year for Tectonic token. I'm hoping to see Tectonic token deleting between 1 or 2 zeros before the end of the year. And I believe if Tectonic token can hit about 10,000% increase in price, definitely a lot of holders will be smiling to the bank before the end of the year. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.